How would you like to increase how long people listen to your music for, how often they'll share it, and how often they'll add your music to playlists on Spotify? In this video, I'll show you how. Spotify Canvas allows you to add short, looping videos to your tracks on Spotify. It's a great way to keep your listeners engaged. Spotify reckon that tracks that have canvases are listened to longer, shared up to 145% more often, and added to playlists 20% more often. What's more, as long as you have a Spotify for Artists account, you can add canvases to your uploaded tracks for free. There are quite a few guidelines and rules to follow though. You'll need to use specific file types, your video has to be a specific length, it has to be a certain aspect ratio, and you'll need to ensure it adheres to Spotify's content guidelines too. DistroKid, the online music distributors that I recommend and the sponsors of this video, have a feature that not only automates all of that stuff for you, but also provides royalty-free footage for you to use in your Spotify Canvas videos at no extra charge. Now, you do need to have a DistroKid membership to use this feature. If you aren't already on board with DistroKid and want to give it a whirl, get involved via my unique discount link and you can get up and running for less than $20 a year. You'll find that link down in the description below. Alrighty, starting off on your DistroKid homepage, click the menu here and in the drop-down, click on the Enhance Your Music section and then on Spotify Canvas Generator. In the next page, you'll be prompted to either enter your own search term or you can select from the suggestions underneath. I'm going to use the word neon as a search term here. The Canvas generator brings in results from one of the best places for royalty-free images and videos, pexels.com. You can filter the results by orientation on the right here. I've selected vertical here as that's the orientation that Spotify Canvas videos use. Scrolling through the results, I can audition clips by hovering my mouse pointer over them. I quite like this one. It goes with the theme of the track that I want to apply it to. Clicking on it allows me to crop the video and edit its duration if needed. It's the perfect size already, and I'll be able to include all of it in my Spotify Canvas. If I had selected a horizontal video, I'd have to crop most of it out to have it fit in the rectangle format required. Anyway, once I'm happy, clicking next will have DistroKid process the video, and once it's done, I can go ahead and download the video file. Next, I need to jump over to my Spotify for Artists dashboard. If I click on Music in the menu on the left there, I can then select from all of the tracks I currently have available to stream on Spotify. If I then click through to my track 5776, there is a button on the next page marked Add Canvas. Because I created my Spotify Canvas video file using DistroKid, I don't need to worry about the content and file guidelines on the right here, as the Canvas generator has done all of the work for me. I can just find the file in my Downloads folder, then drag and drop it in. Once uploaded, you get a live demo of how the canvas will look in action, and you can even toggle this button to see how it will look on narrower phones, like the iPhone X. Clicking next will take you to this screen where you'll need to agree to Spotify's terms before continuing. Farewell, my firstborn child. Once that's done, your canvas will be uploaded and will be viewable to all within the hour. And here's the Spotify canvas for my track 5776 in action on Spotify. And that's everything you need to know about creating a Spotify canvas using DistroKid's excellent Spotify Canvas generator. Sign up using my unique link in the description and save yourself some cash on the first year of any DistroKid plan. If you want to find out more about DistroKid and why you should be using them to get your music online, watch this next.